In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a WordPress account. First, head over to wordpress.com. This is the starting point for building your site, selling your products, or starting that blog you've always dreamed about. On the home page, you'll be greeted with a welcoming interface that invites you to explore a variety of features. But today, we are focusing on setting up your account. Once you're on wordpress.com, you'll want to locate and click on the Get Started button. It's usually prominently placed, making it easy to spot right off the bat. This is your entry into the WordPress world, where you can bring your creative ideas to life. Clicking Get Started will begin the process of creating your account. Moving forward, you will come across several options to choose how you'd like to sign up. WordPress gives you the flexibility to either continue with an email address, or you can use existing credentials from other platforms like Google or Apple. This is particularly convenient if you'd rather not juggle multiple usernames and passwords. For this guide, I recommend using your email. This not only keeps things simple, but also ensures you receive any important notifications about your WordPress site directly to your inbox. When you choose to sign up with your email, you'll be prompted to enter your email address along with a password of your choice. Now, a little tip here. Make sure you select a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols. This is crucial for keeping your account secure. Double-check your email entry to make sure it's correct, because WordPress will send you a confirmation email to verify your account. After entering your email and password, you will be asked to click on a confirmation link sent to your email address. Head over to your inbox, find the email from WordPress, and click on the confirmation link. By doing this, you're verifying your email address and officially registering your account. It's an easy step, but vital for activating your account. Once your email is verified, WordPress may guide you through a brief questionnaire to help tailor your WordPress experience. These questions might involve what you plan to use your site for, what kind of look and feel you want, and other preferences. Take your time with these because the answers you provide will shape your initial WordPress setup, making it much easier to start building your site. And there you have it. With your account set up, you're now ready to explore all the features WordPress has to offer. From choosing themes to personalizing your layout, your new account is your gateway to creating a fantastic online presence. Keep exploring, have fun, and happy.